Supplemental probiotics are not intended to be taken long time, but rather short term only. Here's why. Probiotic supplements are not the same as our innate probiotics, as each person has her or his own individual and unique strains of probiotics that cannot be replicated. No supplement in the world can create a better microbiome for you than your own gut. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. My name is Oksana. I'm a registered nurse and a natural wellness coach, and you're on my No Prescription Needed channel, where I teach people like you and I how to heal our body with food. If this is what you want to do, give me a follow and thumbs up. Bacteria from external probiotic supplements can only live in our gut for about 2 to 3 weeks. The intention is to help our own gut bacteria to grow in diversity, quantity, and quality. Here are some of the reasons you definitely should add a probiotic supplement to help your gut. When you take antibiotics, when you have any kind of gut disbalances, trying to boost your immune system to help you overcome an illness, regulating your stool, and any time you do a detox. All of these are examples of supporting your body's self-healing processes. Remember, self-healing is about your body spontaneously resolving a problem without much effort on your behalf. By the way, want to know how really happy and healthy your gut is? Grab my free gut wellness checklist below this video. Once you stop taking supplemental probiotics and not correct the initial problem, you will go right back to square one.